we're going to demonstrate for you how to program the wall switch receiver unit with the self-powered, no batteries, wireless transmitter for a three-way device. To do that, we're going to press and hold the receiver button down for 15 seconds to access programming. At which point the LED should turn to an amber flashing. Amber flashing means that we are in programming. Once per second allows me to do a rocker mode. I press and hold it for 5 seconds to enter learn. The device will start flashing red, which means I'm in learn. I then pick up the self-powered transmitter and press the button to learn it. The learn has the LED turn to amber and also acknowledges with the load. Once that's complete, I've learned and associated the devices, and I am now going to wait 20 seconds for this to drop out of programming. And once it's out of programming, I will be able to demonstrate for you that the switch has worked and we now have a three-way device. I can turn the device on, I can turn the device off, and I'm doing that with a self-powered device with no batteries. On, off.